Today in Strike Racing Bowling, the kindergarten students combine technology and coordination in a fun remote control challenge. Using remote control cars, students carefully navigated towards Lego bowling pins with the aim of knocking down as many as possible. The activity encouraged hand-eye coordination, control, patience and perseverance whilst introducing students to simple remote control technology. There were plenty of cheers and celebrations through the session, and everybody demonstrated fantastic sportsmanship.
We're going to play a game of bowling today. We're not going to do it with a ball. We are going to do it with a car, a very, very cool car that has been built by the teachers at the school to create a circuit. What colours do we see here?
Red.
Green and
Red.
Green and red. And then when we've played the game red light, green light before, does green mean go or stop? Go, very, very good. Does red mean go or stop?
Stop.
Very good. In this case, I will actually show you that green means to move forward, but red means to move backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards.
Scientist. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. Hey. I wanna be a scientist. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. Hey. I wanna be a scientist. S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Science. Hey. I wanna be a scientist.